Let's go ahead with this year talk. One platform, endless solutions. In Liferay, we are sure that we can help companies with the process of solving problems and providing more efficiency to them. As we will see later, we've been investing around a collection of specific solutions where we think we can provide the more added value. Our idea is to first understand the current problems that a company could have, and then propose a solution based on the combination of Liferay products and services. If you have seen our webpage lately, specifically since January 2020, you already have seen that our messaging is based on 4 main solutions. So first of all, we have Commerce B2B, to increase revenue, to meet customer expectations. Then we have self-service portals, where we want to have more satisfied customers and reduce support costs. Then we have modern intranets, to increase employee engagement and productivity. And finally, integration platform, to promote unification and to improve efficiency in all levels. But okay, what is a Liferay solution? Let's start with a definition. This one doesn't come from Wikipedia, it's just from us, but okay, let's go ahead. So, Liferay solutions are collections of capabilities from our product portfolio joined with specific services that are used together to solve business problems. If you have a look to this picture here, at my left I have custom-built solutions, and at my right we have packaged applications ready to be used with maybe just some configurations. Just in the middle we have the Liferay products, as they are, and then a little bit into the right we have the Liferay solutions. There is of course still a gap here, but we do provide many capabilities ready to be used also since the very first minute, that can be yet personalized if needed. So let's start with our B2B commerce solution, our approach to increase the benefits by adding or improving the B2B channel trying to fulfill the customer's expectations. But okay, before getting into the details, let's start with a Gartner quote from 2019, which of course is related to the COVID. As we can read, by 2021, organizations with robust, scalable digital commerce will outperform non-commerce organizations by 30 percentage points at least in sales growth by better using digital channels during the COVID outbreak. At the end of the day, this is again highlighting how important it is to have good digital channels nowadays, even if hopefully we don't have COVID anymore. So what are the challenges for a company that wants to start or improve its B2B channel? Well, a first challenge for sure is to be able to transform the manual processes. The digital transformation process has to start from inside, and then this internal transformation will also be reflected in our clients. A second challenge is about increasing the number of orders. The idea here is to offer the more possible channels to our customers, but also focusing on being effective, adding, for instance, self-service capabilities where our customers will be able to process their day-by-day without external or manual dependencies. And finally, integration. As I was saying, the majority of the companies have nowadays different tools to manage the product catalog, the stockage, the orders, etc. If we want to add a new B2B channel, we must be able to integrate our solution with the actual ecosystem. So then, what about the Liferay solution, this B2B Liferay solution? Well, we provide at least 3 key characteristics I am highlighting. First of all, the ability to have a solution based on our well-known Liferay DXP platform. So being able to put in place a wide range of capabilities ready to boost our channel's strengths. Second, Liferay Commerce itself. It is a good solution that started with B2B in mind, So many of the challenges that we are having on this special way of selling are also already covered. And finally, the integration capabilities. So how we'll be able to facilitate all this process. So first of all, let's go with integrated content and experience management. We will see this on some talks today. By being able of benefiting from all the CMS capabilities that we are constantly evolving, you will be able to highlight your products, underline your promotions, your business lines, etc. The benefit is straightforward. You have a solution at your disposal without any limitations from the technical point of view, but also from the look and feel point of view, regarding the way you want to publish your products, etc. And as you will see, we are also increasing the capabilities to be able to measure how our channel is being used. We also want to boost our agents, your sales agents. So one of the advantages of our solution is that we have a specific set of capabilities that solve the B2B needs. So for instance, when it comes to having workflows to process purchases, we do have that. So if we have companies that have users for buying and users that have to approve this purchase, that is already there in the platform. We also have the ability to create orders on behalf of another person, or being able to manage different schemas of your agent network. And all this with the best omnichannel support in the two directions. First of all, when exposing information to other channels, which is also complemented with the fact of having a multi-catalog, multi-store, multi-language, and multi-currency solution. But also when interconnecting with the actual ecosystem of the company to surface products, orders, stores, etc. in the B2B channel. Okay, that was the first one. Now let's visit the next solution, which is self-service portals for customers. You will see that many of the challenges and goals are very similar to the previous one, but now we are in the B2C scenario. A solution for your customer portals needs no matter in which sector. It can be financial, insurance, public administration, etc. So let's start now with some statistics. As you can see in this first chart, it is said that 40% of the customers prefer self-service, and this is continuously growing. I am one of those guys, and I am not a millennial, okay? But the thing is that we really need to be capable of doing what we need at a given moment of the time. But well, on the other hand, we have this other chart where the customers are saying that 50% of the customers don't feel comfortable when using the portal. Well, we have to improve this for sure. So what are the challenges here? The first one is very clear. If we have a good self-service channel for our customers, we will decrease the number of calls and tickets for the customer support center, or we will decrease unnecessary visits to branches, etc. And well, we are also gaining more customer satisfaction, as we said before. And we have to keep and increase the effort daily, every day. The capabilities and the contents that we offer to our clients have to be relevant to them and have to be coherent on all the channels to reach the customer under any circumstance. So again, how does the Liferay Solution provide us a solution in this land? Now, I would like to focus on some capabilities that we have just introduced in 7.3, like our improvements on search, content management, and headless. So first of all, we start with search, providing a better search experience, which is key for self-service. We are continuously evolving Liferay DXP in all the different 7.x versions to try to follow the Elasticsearch rhythm. I still remember when we were ahead Elastic on the number of version. Now we are behind. They are on 7.9, we are on 7.3. It doesn't matter. It's just a matter of numbers. They like to change the version very often. But the thing is, for Liferay 7.2 and 7.3, we are nowadays compatible against Elasticsearch 7.1, which is important. And since Liferay DXP 7.3, okay, warning here, only for 7.3, we are also now using the REST protocol to interconnect Liferay DXP and Elasticsearch. Well, okay, this is from the technical point of view. But from the end user or business user point of view, there are also new capabilities. So we have things like being able to manage through the user interface the synonyms, the search results rankings, having the ability to create search and change the search results with templates, our widget templates, like always. And we also have new plugins available in the marketplace, which is similar results and learning to rank to enhance more the search functionalities. The next thing was the ability to analyze our clients' behavior. I just mentioned it before, but I wanted to underline this new capability in 7.3 to understand directly inside the product, inside Liferay DXP, in a new user interface, with a specific dashboard where you will have the different number of views for the contents that will be organized by authors, etc. And also by the different keywords that are component where these contents are classified. For part of it, you will need Analytics Cloud, but it is directly in DXP where you will find this new user interface. And as I said, we have to be coherent in all the channels. So there are several improvements that you will find on 7.3, but not only on 7.3, also on 7.2, 7.1, because we are backporting them when possible. So nowadays, for instance, when you have to generate your own headless services for the specific information you are exposing through the customer portal, you will feel that it is much more easier to re-expose this information to other channels. Thank you to the improvements we have done to the REST builder and more. Okay, so we are done with the second solution, but let's have a look to the third one, which is modern intranets. This is again a similar kind of solution, but now on the B2E world, right? So business to employee, but still focus on communication with different parties, no matter if it is company to employee, employee to company, or employee to employee. Let me start again with some interesting statistics here. And as you can see, we have a high percentage of employees that are not engaged with their company. And we also have employees, half of them have found problems when searching information in their digital workplace. So again, how can we improve this? What are the goals? What are the challenges first that a company will find when trying to improve their intranet experience? Well, first of all, it's all about the experience. We do have to invest internally if we want to succeed in big goals like avoiding silos, stop redoing the same work on different systems, and so on. At the end of the day, we need to empower a culture of collaboration in our workforce. We need to share all possible information. I do think that the information excess shouldn't be a problem. You of course need to coordinate, you of course need to be effective on your time, but having all the possible information well organized and at hand is always good. So what is Liferay DXP when it comes to a modern intranet solution? Well, let me again highlight some of the enhancements in our newest 7.3 version. First of all, regarding efficiency, we have to say that nowadays, with all the new capabilities around the content management, like style books, master pages, collections, fragment compositions, etc., we are providing more and more possibilities to the internal departments, say human resources, internal communications, etc., to be more effective with any communication that they need to send. Again, this is not only for the B2C, which of course is, but everything starts from the internal, from inside, right? So we also have to be careful when creating the intranet, and we also have to care about how we are communicating what we want to communicate. We also have new capabilities like the low code, no code that App Builder provides us. So with App Builder, we introduced it on 7.2, but we were still missing the user interface. Nowadays, we have the user interface. Everything starts with the user interface. You don't need to develop anything. You just define your entity in the user interface, and then you will be able to define your business process easier than before, specifically when it comes to linear processes. This is important. The App Builder will still be evolving in the next versions. We are not yet where we want. We are not covering all use cases, but it is a very good starting point for some use cases, specifically when there is a kind of linear workflow like this one I am highlighting here. And finally, I am underlining again the importance of getting to know how my employees behave inside my modern intranet. Again, we have to be constantly improving the intranet, applying the knowledge we get because of its use. There are 3 talks today about intranets. So please, just have a look and you'll see, I am totally sure that you'll see how the continuous improvement is key for these examples. Okay, I am almost done. We are in fact going to end our solution strip, but at least I have the last one, which is the integration platform. So Liferay as an integration platform, integrating disparate systems, so promoting unification and improving efficiency in all levels. So again now, another Gartner quote. As you can see, this one is focused on marketing. It is saying that marketing technology leaders strive for an integrated stack. And it's very hard to achieve integration excellence. Well, this is not only for marketing. It happens everywhere. Integration is not easy. It's a must, but it is not easy. So, as you can see, companies can find different challenges here. First of all, is to decide if they are going to unify a system, so keep using it, but maybe setting at least the login, etc., or if they are going to evolve it, maybe because of its obsolescence, etc. And again, to be effective, to stop maintaining dozens of disparate systems with their own login requirements, user information, etc. So where does the Liferay solution fit here? Well, with this slide, I'm also adding the conclusion of this talk today. The main takeaway is to stop trying to reinvent the wheel. We have to understand, use, and then extend the different capabilities that we have been highlighting today. And then personalizing what is needed when needed, but using our solid platform based on standards, well documented, and where you won't be left alone. So, well, I hope you now have a better understanding of our Liferay solutions. I know that at the end of the day, you, our partners, our customers, you are the ones that keep building new and unexpected solutions every day. So thank you. Thank you very much for being there. Let's continue. Bye-bye.